Insects demonstrate navigational abilities and are therefore assumed to be capable of visual place learning. For instance, flies can return to food by remembering what they see. Previous studies have found that Drosophila can identify and remember features like size, colour and shape. This study focuses on Drosophila retaining those visual place memories to guide selective navigation. Ofstad, Zuker and Reiser used a combination of LED lights and temperature-controlled tiles, as you can see in this diagram.
So what's shown here is the small enclosure used for this experiment. The tiles shown at the base of the diagram are all hot except one, which is kept at a cooler temperature. This method is used because the Drosophila dislike the hot tiles and will search until they find the cooler tile. Surrounding the tiles are a display of many small LED lights in a variety of patterns. These patterns are fixed relative to the cool tile. This way the Drosophila can use the visual display of lights to navigate towards the preferable position, i.e. the cool tile. As you can see, the tiles and lights are randomly rotated at 90 degrees.
The tiles all appear identical so that there are no local cues to identify the cool tile. The only way to find the tile is the spatial cues provided by the lights.
This graph shows the results of each trial. The red results were where the lights were used with the cool tile. Grey represents results where the lights were not rotated with the tile. Black represents results where the lights were turned off and the Drosophila could not see anything. As you can see, the time it took the Drosophila to find the tile using the visual cues, which is shown in red, decreases. The grey and black results don't show a distinct trend up or down.
The authors then tested the Drosophila after about 2 hours to see if the spatial memory was retained. They found that Drosophila could use remembered visual cues to guide themselves even after a 2-hour period. The authors clearly showed that Drosophila use spatial orientation to guide navigation, and this memory lasts at least 2 hours. The authors have not released any updates on this article. However, another article was found to have many similarities, including aim, method and results. This study was reported to Ofstad et al. While their paper was under review. Ofstad et al.'s paper gives a sound base for further study into learning and memory of animals.